distinguished guest of honor and speaker, our active Bunyabayan member, Ma'am Vicky Serna, our charming district supervisor, Mrs. Helen V. Ciruno, the equally talented principal of our school, Ma'am Julie, barangay officials, PTA officials and members, my dear parents, loving teachers, fellow graduates, schoolmates, other guests, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all. No word can express my feelings as I stand before you today. I have mixed emotions. I feel happy as well as I feel sad. Happy because after 7 long years of stay, we are now ready to go out and explore another ladder of education. The clumsy characters we brought in here 7 years ago were treated correctly by our loving teachers. I feel so sad also because we are now going out from the portals of our beloved Contacla Sagsagat, leaving behind us our teachers and our adins. A few minutes from now, we, the graduates of class 2013, will be leaving, bringing with us our diploma, signifying our fulfillment of completing the basic education in the elementary level. This will serve as our tool in handling and facing more complex trials and challenges in life. In behalf of our graduating class, may we express our heartfelt gratitude to those who made this day possible. To our dear Contacla Sagsagat, thank you for being our shelter for the past 7 years. Thank you for the memories. We will treasure the moments we shared with you, good and bad, happy and sad. Those will serve as our inspiration in striving more to reach our own goal and our light in coming back to you and share our blessings. To our loving teachers, thank you for your patience, understanding, consideration, and unending support. For without those, we will not be here to receive our certificates. We thank you for being a mother, a sister, and a friend to us. You have molded us into what we are now. We will be missing you. To my fellow graduates, thank you for the moments we shared, the joys and laughter, as well as the times we had fights and misunderstandings. Those are parts of growing up, and we shall bring all those memories wherever we may go. Keep on dreaming and believing that we can overcome the trials that will come along our way. To our younger brothers and sisters, you are part of our success. Thank you. Please continue bringing home bacons and giving honors to our school. You take care of her so that she can still be a part of the younger generation's future like us. To our dear parents, we thank you for everything. We are so grateful to have you as our parents. Please continue supporting us. Your struggles and sacrifices just to send us to school will be returned to you 1,000-fold. To my papa and mama, thank you for the unconditional love. Let me take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to my grandparents, Tatang Lakay, Nanang Baket, Papang Lakay, wherever you are, thank you. For without you, I will not have those parents with me and I will care of you. I will not be standing before them today. To my Mamang Baket, thank you so much for taking care of me. I am praying to God and I hope you will still be here with me during my high school or even my college graduation. To everyone who are here, guests, visitors, friends, Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming and gracing our graduation ceremonies. Above all, we thank you, dear God, for guiding and protecting us for the last 7 years of our elementary life. Please continue showering us your blessings. Again, thank you and